Let's do this example. In 2015, Hershey Co., that's the company that makes Reese's peanut butter cups and Hershey's chocolate, had earnings of $4.12 per share. In 2017, the company earned $4.76 per share. Find the average rate of change of the earnings. Okay, you guys know that average rate of change, this phrase, average rate of change, is code for slope. But wait a minute, you say, I don't see any points or a graph, so how do I find the slope? Well, you can create an ordered pair. You can create two ordered pairs here. And the hint is this: when you're finding a rate of change that involves changing with respect to time, the time measurement, how we measure time, is always going to be a first coordinate. So 2015, the year 2015 goes with an that's an input. 2015 would be your input. The output would be the earnings of $4.12 per share. That's one ordered pair. So you could think of that as the ordered pair 2015 as your input, first coordinate, and 412, 4.12 is your output, second coordinate. Likewise, for the year 2017, that would be the input. The output would be earnings, $4.76. So you can create your inputs and outputs. Okay, so we need to find the average rate of change between those 2 points. Again, that's just code for slope. So we're going to find the slope between those 2 points, m. I will write down what it is in particular, though, or how it is we're thinking of it in particular. It's a rate of change between those 2 points. Rate of change. Okay, remember the rise is given by the difference between the second coordinates. That would be 476, taking this one first. $4.76 minus 4.12, $4.12. For the run, the denominator here, take the difference between the first coordinates. So 2017 minus 2015. And on top, 476 minus 412, I think is going to be 64.64, On the bottom, 2017 minus 2015, 2. And I don't think we even need a calculator, 0.32. However, we're not finished. We need to write down the units of slope in order to interpret it as a rate of change. So the units would be the rise units in ratio to the run units. The rise units, dollars per share, or just dollars is fine. So that's $4.12. This is 4.76. I'm outside the screen there, so that's $4.76. Oh, and again, leave off the per share. It's understood that earnings is per share, so you can just leave it as 0.32 dollars would be your rise units. And your run units would be, the run units, they're in years, so just dollars per, division bar means per year. And so if you want to write down kind of a summary, a complete sentence answer, you could say the average rate of change is $0.32 per year or 32 cents per year.